Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open Illustrator and click on Create View. Once you click, a new dialog box will appear. Here change the width and height to 800 pixels. Because the standard size of the logo is 800 pixels by 800 pixels. Consider click on Create. Now set that tool and click on your starting point. Now I am going to type single. Now align your text to center of the artwork. Now I am going to change the font. Now create outline of your text and annotate it. So here now the magic start. So follow my steps. So I'm going to make shapes with pen tool. So select pen tools and follow my steps. You are thinking what I have done now? So this is the magic I am talking about. So this is for now guys. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment. And tell me what you think about the video. Also give some ideas what should I upload next.